Hey guys, welcome back to Tutor Sector. In this video, I'm going to be joined by the awesome Sticksovers. Well, as you can see right here, I have the one and only Bernie, the awesome Epic Pro right here. And as you can see, we are in a very big field right here. You can just see, it's a very big field. But let's get this drone flying.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage. Sadly, I can't stay here. I have a flight to catch, so definitely gonna be vlogging that. That's gonna be in this video. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Let's get on with the video. Alright guys, sadly we have to go. I have to say bye to this girl right here. Goodbye. Sadly we didn't get any cool shots with this cool little golf cart right here, but we gotta go. Alright guys, so it's time to go. I'll see you guys when we are at the next location. Alright guys, we are finally at the airport. Let's get into this. Okay guys, we're about to be at TSA, so I'm gonna have to cut the video off here. I'll see you guys when I'm finished with TSA. Just got out of TSA. It's time to get to the gate. Guys, we're in the plane. As you can see the airplane window right here. You can see the airplane right over there. So we are on the plane. I'm definitely going to vlog inside this plane, so get ready for that. And I'll try to have a time lapse of us taking off as soon as we start moving. about to take off. Okay guys, so it is 2:45 right now. We are right now about, I think, a little more than halfway done with the flight, so this is the halfway little check-in. I'm watching some potential video ideas on my phone, you know, trying to pass the time. There's not a lot to do on this flight right now. But yeah guys, that's just what I'm doing right now. We're almost there. We're about like maybe an hour away from the airport where we have to be, and yeah guys, we're almost there, which is really great.
Ladies and gentlemen, was not initially sent. Prepare for landing.
Okay guys, so you just heard the flight attendant. As you can see, well, you can't really see anything, but we are right now about to descend. Yeah, you can basically start seeing, you can see stuff now. But we are basically almost there. We're descending right now. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna roll the time lapse so you guys can see the whole entire descent, but I just wanted you guys to know that we are almost there and that we're almost onto the ground. Guys, we made it home. Okay guys, we are back home, as you can see. First and foremost, that was a really good trip, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I got some really cool shots at the beginning of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed, but I really want to know what you guys think about the video. And if you want to tell me what you liked about the video, please go down into the description below and type in what you thought about the video. Trust me, that would really make my day if you do that. Well guys, sadly we made it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this cool little vlog style video I made. I really put a lot of effort into it. It would be nice if you guys would subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, you know. Also guys, you can also see that this video is very different from the types of videos I usually make. I usually make drone style videos. And drone reviews, drone unboxings, and stuff like that. This is more like a vlog style video, and I really want to know if you guys actually enjoy this types of videos. So again, go down to the comment section below and tell me what you guys think. But yeah, guys, thanks again for everything. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for all that. Thanks for all that stuff, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys all later. This has been Tutor Sector. Peace.